Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning Spark English. I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to learn some common jobs and occupations in English. Let's get started. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Example: the doctor helps sick people. The doctor helps sick people. Nurse, nurse, nurse. Example: the nurse takes care of patients. The nurse takes care of patients. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Example: the teacher teaches English. The teacher teaches English. Engineer, engineer, engineer. Example: the engineer designs buildings. The engineer designs buildings. Lawyer, lawyer, lawyer. Example: the lawyer helps people with legal problems. The lawyer helps people with legal problems. Police officer, police officer, police officer. Example: the police officer protects people. The police officer protects people. Firefighter, firefighter, firefighter. Example: the firefighter puts out fires. The firefighter puts out fires. Soldier, soldier, soldier. Example: the soldier protects his country. The soldier protects his country. Chef, chef, chef. Example: the chef cooks delicious food. The chef cooks delicious food. Waiter, waiter, waiter. Example: the waiter serves the customers. The waiter serves the customers. Baker, baker, baker. Example: the baker makes fresh bread. The baker makes fresh bread. Farmer, farmer, farmer. Example: the farmer grows vegetables. The farmer grows vegetables. Driver, driver, driver. Example: the driver drives a car. The driver drives a car. Pilot, pilot, pilot. Example: the pilot flies an airplane. The pilot flies an airplane. Flight attendant, flight attendant, flight attendant. Example: the flight attendant helps passengers. The flight attendant helps passengers. Mechanic, mechanic, mechanic. Example: the mechanic repairs cars. The mechanic repairs cars. Electrician. 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 Example: the electrician fixes electrical problems. The electrician fixes electrical problems. Plumber. 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 Example: the plumber fixes water pipes. The plumber fixes water pipes. Carpenter. 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 Example: the carpenter makes wooden furniture. The carpenter makes wooden furniture. Painter. 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 Example: the painter paints the walls. The painter paints the walls. Barber. 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 Example: the barber cuts my hair. The barber cuts my hair. Dentist. 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 Example: the dentist checks my teeth. The dentist checks my teeth. Pharmacist. 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 Example: the pharmacist gives me my medicine. The pharmacist gives me my medicine. Veterinarian. 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 Example: the veterinarian treats sick animals. The veterinarian treats sick animals. Architect. 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 Example: the architect designs houses. The architect designs houses. Scientist. 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 Example: the scientist conducts experiments. The scientist conducts experiments.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel Learning Spark, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Also, follow us on our social media platforms for more English tips, daily expressions, and extra practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.